Hi guys, and welcome back. My name is Alex and it's our Kubay Design YouTube channel, and it's the all brand new G Wagon Brabus 700. So we have the darkest night already because the happy customer wants to receive his car right now, and we have just finished the brand new project. So it was the G63 from the stock, and we converted everything to Brabus related parts. We chip tuned the engine, and as for the exterior and the interior, let's keep moving. So the hood scoop in carbon with the orange Brabus badge, the grille and stanchion GV12, also the carbon, and the orange details inside. So it matching all the orange compoundment of this car. We added the LED illumination here, and then overall added the Brabus Widestar kit on it, the plastic one, because the Brabus 700 doesn't have like enough carbon. So after we added and adjusted the Brabus Widestar kit, the plastic one on it, matching the black car's exterior color, we decided to make the whole car in orange edition. So let's check it out. And what we have, the Brabus badges on it everywhere, stating it's 700. And also we painted the brake calipers and added some logos on the Brabus wheels. As for the front roof, it's standard Brabus carbon fiber roof light. That's how it works. This guy from this car just took away. He's got blind. Few words about the soft close of the doors. As you may know from the manufacturer, neither Mercedes nor AMG nor Brabus adds the soft close for the doors. We decided for the easy entrance, first adding the side step, the electric power board, so it's easy to come inside the car, and then when we close the door, just easy, it works automatically. The rear spoiler also comes in carbon. But one thing I want to say, that the Brabus from manufacturer makes only the carbon flaps. From behind we can see all the carbon. Our company provides everything in carbon, but in Brabus the middle part comes like in plastic. So that's the main difference. It's our pride that in our company we make two component badges. As for the Brabus, can say anything, but we can make, you can see the metallic plate from behind in any color and the carbon inside. Also a few technician words about this Distronic radar sensor badge. We make it within the very thin plastic. So your Distronic sensor will work. The happiness of my customer and their safety is our main goal, because when you drive nearly to a car and it will not work, well, you got a crash, car accident, and will call me like, hey, what happened? It doesn't work. No, it works, because the technology of this outer badge has been accomplished with the 100%. If you, for example, want to install the carbon fiber badge here, it will not also work. Remember this, only the plastic one. As for the rims, few words. We decided to install the 22s just because it's winter already now, and the customer needs to somehow cross the roads with this truck. I remember once again remind that it's 700 horsepower. It's a very powerful car. If you install the not proper tire here, you'll crash in any one day. And I promised you to show the underneath the hood. That is real Brabus 700, empowered at Brabus official. So it has all the badges on it, stating it's Brabus, and it's really powerful car. If you want to make the same cheap tuning or to empower your car, we can gladly provide it in our company. The same thing. Yeah, customer just asked not to clean up this engine. Just asked. That's his engine. He asked, I didn't. And of course, during this video, you could see the orange interior inside of this car. So it's our main pride in this car. We handcrafted whole interior, totally converted to the Brabus orange. Let's take a closer look. And as for the Alcantara, we added the star roof, controlled with this unit. I need to turn the ignition on, and that's how it looks like. Even the floor mats we handcrafted by our own, also orange edges and soft carpet here, and of course we've installed these beautiful badges into the mats. They are mounted in this way, and they are like damage protective. Just need to clean up a little bit. And of course, we haven't forgot to install the Brabus door seals, LED illuminated, the metallic ones here, and the Brabus masterpiece into the seats. Yes, it's not cheap. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's qualitative. Our company provides all this whole tuning set. As for the interior, as for the exterior, widen, thicken, more powerful, more quicker, everything lost control when it's get tuned for the Brabus 700. If you want to upgrade your car to Brabus, more powerful, more tall, more wide, beautiful, you know my contacts, and we'll make your car upgraded into one of these beasts. Thank you.